Anything that vitiates the genuinely Indian spirit can damage the centuries-old secular fabric of our nation and sometimes cause disturbances and flare-ups that can mar the peace and the tranquility among its citizens. How wonderful it would be if we had to make the spirituality of the Namaste the guide for our daily dealings with others. In Hinduism, God is considered as a Karunamayi, the very personification of compassion. The attitude of compassion or Karuna in Buddhism, of Ahimsa in Jainism, of Daya in Sikhism, and of Rahma in Islam, all point out to what unites us behind all the social, cultural, and religious differences that we have allowed to tear us apart and to govern and color our dealings with one another. As disciples of Jesus in India, while we follow the Karuna Marga of Jesus, we learn with great admiration about the diverse ways the people of this country have lived and continue to live Karuna, compassion, in their daily life.